Hi there, welcome again sa aking channel. Today our topic is about the use of the verb is, are, was, and were. This is a very basic topic in English, and yet this is very important for beginners. And this time we are going to discuss paano ba gagamitin ang is, are, was, and were. But before that, of course, kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na to, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click the notification bell para palaging updated sa aking bagong video. And of course, please share also. Alright, let us start. How to use is and are. First, use is if the noun is singular and use are if the noun is plural. Alright, example. The child blank crying. Okay, we have one child here. And child is, of course, this is singular. Dahil isa lang ang ating noun dito, this is singular, kaya ang ating verb na gagamitin ay is. Alright. Next, the children blank crying. Yung child naging children na. And pag ganito, dalawa na ang ating subject, this is considered as plural. Ang plural ng child ay children, hindi pwedeng lagyan dito ng S. Alright, so the correct verb is are. Alright, next. Now, sa past tense naman, the child blank crying yesterday. Dito, meron tayong time element. By the way, ang ating noun dito ay child, singular, pero meron tayong time element dito na yesterday, kahapon. Pag ganito, ang gagamitin nating verb ay was. Alright. Now, pag ganito naman, that ang child naging children, of course, this is now plural. At meron din tayong time element na yesterday, kaya ang gagamitin nating verb dito ay were. Okay, remember that. Next, is and are with collective nouns. When we say collective nouns, these are nouns, words, for single things that are made up of more than one person, animal, place, thing, or idea. Okay. Remember that nouns are words naming people, animals, places, and things. Example. The committee blank considering the allocation of budget right now. Alright. This is now our noun. And committee is singular, kaya ang gagamitin natin ditong verb ay is. At nasa present tense pa siya because of this word right now. Now, the committees, okay, may is na rito, ito ay plural. The committee is blank considering the allocation of budget right now. So, ang verb natin dito, dahil ito ay may is na, plural na siya, ay are. Okay. So, dalawang committees na. Next, was and were with collective noun. Like this one. We have here a couple. The couple blank happy in their wedding yesterday. Okay, we have time element here, yesterday. Kaya ang gagamitin nating verb dito ay was. Okay, isang couple lang ito. Kaya ang gagamitin nating verb ay was. Now, we have here two couples. Dalawa na ang couple dito. Our sentence is the couples blank happy in their wedding yesterday. And we have time element yesterday. Kaya ang gagamitin nating verb dito ay were. Okay. Next. Use is for a number and use are for the number. This is very important. Itong phrase na a number at the number. Pag a number, ang gagamitin natin ay is. Pag the number naman, ang gagamitin natin ay are. Alright. Now, here is the trick. Just remember the acronym PAST. Ito ang dapat nating tandaan. Ang PAST means plural a number, plural a number, singular the number. Okay. Example, a number of birds blank flying. Okay, we have here the phrase a number, and we have here birds. Okay. Dito, pwede kayong malito dito kasi ang ating noun dito ay birds. Pero nag-uumpisa siya rito sa phrase na a number. Remember, use is for a number and use are for the number. And remember this acronym past. Plural a number, subject the number. Kaya dito, ang gagamitin natin dito ay are. Kasi ang a number ay plural. Plural a number. Okay. Next, the number of onlookers blank increasing. Okay, kanina a number, dito naman the number. Okay. Just remember itong past, plural a number. Dito, the number dito, kaya dito tayo on. Singular, the number. Kaya ang ating verb dito ay is. Kahit na rito, ang onlookers ay may is dito. Okay. Dito ba pwede kayong malito kasi dito ay onlookers, ito ay may s, parang plural siya, pero ang rule natin ay pag nag-uumpisa ang sentence sa the number, ito ay singular, o singular the number, kaya ang verb dito ay s. Alright, next. A number of children blank running. Okay. Again, remember the acronym past. Dito ay a number ang umpisa, plural a number. Dito sa past. Kaya dito, dahil plural a number, dito ay ang ating verb ay are. Alright. Next, the number of sick children blank increasing. Okay. Again, remember the past. So dito, nandito tayo sa ST, the number. So dito, singular the number, kaya ang verb natin dito ay is. Alright? Now, we are going to have a short quiz to determine if you have learned our lesson today. Just choose the correct word here, and then afterward, we are going to check your paper. Okay, just pause the video for a while. Alright, let us now check your answer. For number 1, the audience are cheering. Okay, the correct answer here is because audience is a collective noun and this is singular. So this is the correct answer here is. Number 2, Ben and Fred were playing chess yesterday. Ang subject natin dito ay dalawa, Ben and Fred, kaya ito ay plural. And we have also here time element yesterday, kaya the correct answer here is were. Number 3, the number of voters are increasing nowadays. Now the sentence begins with the number. Remember ang past, pag the number, singular, the number. Okay, so this is. Number 4, a number of orphans are waiting for financial support. Now, remember again the past. Plural a number. Kaya dito, the correct answer here is are. Number 5, she was, or were happy yesterday. Alright? Ang subject natin dito ay is, isa lang siya, pero meron tayong time element na yesterday. So, ibig sabihin ito ay nasa past tense. Kaya the correct answer here is was. Alright, I hope you have learned something in this video today. Now, check out for my other videos about subject-verb agreement in my past videos. Thank you very much for watching. See you again.